So I'm going to be showing my first Django project that I built a few months ago. This was my proposal for the civic address to dwelling ID service that is used by Statistics Canada to find every dwelling in Canada. I was tasked with improving the current search methodology, and I used Django in order to create a live demo for my proposal. So before I actually show the live search and how the service works, I should mention that I use Faker, a Python package, in order to generate the test data. So we're going to be searching 1 million dwellings live, and as you will see, it's actually pretty fast. So the mandatory field groups must be met, so let's start to put some information in. Start with L for the row name, and that matches 19,000 dwellings. So there's 19,000 dwellings that are attached to a row name whose first character is L. There's 100 dwellings per page, up to a maximum of 10 pages. So when I put U, we bring it down from 19,000 dwellings to 2,000, to 279, to 33. And let's select for road direction. Let's try southwest, which brings it down to 2 dwellings. For the road type, let's put forest. There it is. And that brings it down to 1 dwelling. Let's also put the municipality name. So the green glow around the input fields means that the values within those fields were used in the final search results. So let's say I make a spelling mistake on the row name. The field is no longer highlighted, which means that the value within this field, so Ludley, was not used in the final search results. However, the road type, road direction, municipality, and province were used. So it's very useful when people make mistakes, spelling mistakes. So let's go back to L. And as you can see, pagination is also fast. Its searches are typically under 100 milliseconds. These exceptions, 766 milliseconds, is because I have a very minimal number of compound indexes. So that's why. I did experiment with caching, so varnish. And in terms of performance, it does help quite a bit. You're able to bring down response time from, as you can see, from 50 milliseconds down to 3 milliseconds. GSIP also helps quite a bit, and as I mentioned before, compound indexes are also very important. Overall, I'm very proud of this project and learned quite a bit, and it was fun.